Hi, it's Matthew, and this is a how-to guide of how to bleed a radiator. Sometimes your heating can be on, but a radiator won't work. Radiators work by passing hot water through the radiator, which then emits heat. Now, if that water can't move because there's air in the radiator, it means your radiator is not going to get hot. So this is how you can get your single radiators back up and running if your heating's working. So when you're ready, you get the screwdriver and you turn it anti-clockwise to release the nut, and then you're looking for water to be coming out of the valve. It's always good to have like a rag or a bit of tissue to catch the water. Now if your radiator isn't working, there'll be a hissing sound and lots of air will come out, and then eventually water will start to run like this. Once the water's run and it's started to get warm, you've bled the radiator and the hot water has come through. You just turn it clockwise, don't over tighten it, and that'll close the valve off. And then your radiator should quickly start to feel warm to the touch. And that's how you bleed a radiator.